Hello and welcome back to another video with me, Space Statum. So today is going to be a quick and easy video, just a little bit about for loops in C++. So let's go over it. What is a for loop? In C++, a for loop is a controlled flow statement used for iterating over a range of values or executing a block of code repeatedly until a certain condition is met. The for loop consists of these three main parts: the initialization step, the condition step, and the update step. So let's go over the steps. Our first step, we have the initialization. This part is typically used to initialize a loop control variable, and it is executed only once at the beginning of the loop. So typically you will see something like inti or inti equals 0, and that is the initialization step. So now on to our second step. We have our condition step. This part specifies a condition that is evaluated before each iteration of the loop. If the condition evaluates to be true, the loop continues. Otherwise, the loop terminates. So in this case, we can be talking about dealing with like a number of guests, and we can say if I is less than the number of guests, cancel it and ascend or descend, and that's the condition phase. So now our third step, the update. This part is usually used to update the loop control variable, and it is executed after each iteration of the loop. So it's pretty much what I just said. It just it updates it. So here's the general syntax for the for loop, and as you can see, we have our initializations and then our condition and our update. So let's go to the IDE so I can show you a little bit more about the for loop and show you also how to print a line of 10 numbers. Hello and welcome to the IDE. I'm so glad that you made it. So let's go ahead and start coding our for loop. So we're going to start off with our norm in C++. So we have our include IOStream. Oh, so as you see, we ran it, and you see we have 10 numbers inside of a line, and that is how you use the for loops.